Look, I get it. She's hot. And us men, we think with two heads. We really do. And one of them is wrong like 99% of the time. So I'm here to put in some logic into your other head. I want you to think with this head and know that even though she's hot, even though your second head is telling you that is the love of your life, that girl isn't for you. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give you 6 red flags. If you see these signs in that girl, I want you to run the other way. That girl ain't for you. Number 1, she just doesn't make any effort. Look, she doesn't ask to see you. She never texts you. You guys only communicate when you put in the effort. See, what you have now is a slug. And even if for whatever miracle you're able to bag her into a relationship, do you really want to be lugging around that slug the entire relationship? Because if that's how she's acting now on the small stuff, that's clearly how she's going to be the entire time. Number 2, you see her posting half naked all the time. Look, a girl can do whatever the heck she wants. It is her body. It is her life. You can't control that. The only thing you can control is you and your actions. And you should control your action and your natural impulse to fall in love with the girl that's always out there. See, when girls do this, most of the time she's looking for that validation from other men. She wants other men to look and comment, like the whole 9. And if she's looking, trust me, bro, she's gonna act upon it when the right guy comes along. So, I want you to save yourself the heartache and all those jealous fights that you're probably going to have. Let her do her, and no, she ain't for you, bro. Number 3, they never even try to pay. Look, I'm still old school, so if I ask a girl out, it is 100% on me. However, it's always nice to see the girl at least offer. See, at the end of the day, I don't expect them to pay. I'm gonna pay, but seeing them offer shows you that, yo, they enjoy the date, that they're not there just for a free date. They're not there just to mooch off of you. And matter of fact, she's trying hard enough to try to impress you to the point that she's willing to offer to pay. See, most girls that are gold diggers or looking for free rides, they won't even offer to pay. And if it starts out that way, better believe that once you get into a relationship, she's gonna expect that the burden to pay and carry the entire relationship will be on you, because in her head, that's the manly thing to do. I'm telling you right now, you don't want that type of problem. Number 4, she tells you she's not looking for a relationship. This is probably the number 1 biggest lie every woman tells guys, and they use it on repeat, especially on dudes that they want that free attention from, but they don't want to date. So I want you to save yourself the time, because she will never date you. See, these type of girls, they're liars. See, they just want that free attention. Don't give him your attention, King. See, this is the type of girl that if the right guy comes along, I'm talking 6'3" Brad that has $1 million in the bank and a lot of clout, I promise you, she is now open for business. Number 5, the girl that's either late or always canceling on you. See, when a girl actually likes you, she's gonna make sure she doesn't overbook, especially on top of your first date. She's gonna do whatever she can to make it to the date. See, a last-minute cancellation, and especially if it happens repeatedly, is a strong sign that she's probably bored with you. She only takes them when she's really bored and something better probably came along. Keep your dignity high. That chick ain't worth it. And the exact same thing can be said if she pulls up late to the date. See, if she cannot even respect your time, you better believe she's gonna disrespect other things in the relationship. She's not it. Number 6, she's always talking about her exes. Like, who the hell cares? She still does, my guy. She does. And right now, you're just a time killer to make him jealous, but she cares. And finally, number 7, she's always bringing around a friend. See, if you ever invite a chick out and she has the audacity to bring a friend, she didn't do that so she can meet bae. No. See, again, this girl brought her out probably to protect herself, so she didn't do anything dumb. And the truth is, you're not here to waste time, so I want you to grab her and her ugly friend and send their both butts home, because you're not wasting time, King. You're realizing she's not it. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 warning signs that if a girl does this for you, this ain't it. This girl ain't it. Don't forget to drop us a like down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.